Welcome to Seven Shores January 2024 update in 4K, a new East Naples community coming soon, offering 409 total homes ranging in size from 1,528 to over 4,258 square feet. Seven Shores base pricing is expected to start in the low 500s base price. Resort-style amenities are planned for Seven Shores. Amenities will include a large clubhouse with social room and lounge, a separate state-of-the-art fitness center building with group fitness area, a large resort-style swimming pool and spa, a yoga lawn with added green space and fire pit locations, a half basketball court, and tennis and pickleball courts. Seven Shores will include villa and single-family homes within 4 collections. Home offers will include 18 new home designs. Enjoy the drone views. For information on new homes at Seven Shores, please contact Southwest Coast Realty in Naples. Call 239-229-9926. If you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss our next informative video on Southwest Florida real estate. Thanks for watching.